fair, fairs, fairest.
Adjective. 1.
Free from favoritism or self-interest or bias or deception, or conforming with established standards or rules.
2.
Used of hair or skin, pale or light-colored.
3.
Showing lack of favoritism.
4.
Not excessive or extreme.
5.
Very pleasing to the eye.
Adverb. 1.
In conformity with the rules or laws and without fraud or cheating.
2.
Without favoring one party, in a fair even-handed manner.
Noun. 1.
A traveling show. Having sideshows and rides and games of skill, etc.
2.
Gathering of producers to promote business.
3.
A competitive exhibition of farm products.
4.
A sale of miscellany. Often for charity.
Verb.
1.
Join so that the external surfaces blend smoothly.
Listen and practice.
World fair. Trade fair. Book fair. World fair. Trade fair. Book fair. She won a blue ribbon for her baking at the county fair. She won a blue ribbon for her baking at the county fair. He hit a fair ball over the third base bag. He hit a fair ball over the third base bag.
Fair.